In this video, let me show you how to fix Telegram Grok AI not working. Now in this situation, the first thing that you can straight away do is force restart the Telegram bot. So what you can do is type in a command prompt, which is slash, and then you can tap on the new chat option. This way a new chat entirely will start. Also what you can do is add in the command, which is /start, so that a new chat will start here as well. Now if this is not the case for you, and if this first solution does not work for you, the second thing that you can do is stop and lock the bot temporarily. So just tap on the profile on the Grok on the top right, and then head over to the stop option that you should be able to see. You can simply tap on the stop option and then tap on delete chat. Wait for at least 10 seconds and then again restart it. So once you complete these two steps, you should be able to fix this issue. But however, if the issue still persists, the last thing that you can try out is clear out the Telegram corrupted app cache. So what you need to do is head over to your settings on the bottom right. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to data and storage, and then just head over to storage users. Once you're inside of storage users, you'd be able to see the option called clear cache. You can simply tap on this option. Once you complete this step, make sure you remove the Telegram application from the recent app list and try to see if the issue is fixed. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.